You're gonna get 17 pieces in all. It's called the Stamps of Life Surprise Wiper Dolphin Card Die Set. I know a lot of you love these wiper cards. The dolphins are adorable, but you can do so many different things. You're gonna get all the dies that you need included, 17 pieces. You get a 6-page idea book, which is also included. Perfect for any occasion. I'm gonna get Stephanie right on board because I want her to talk all about it and tell us how wonderful it is, but it's new and you can only find it right here. And this, I believe, is the only airing of the day. Stephanie, welcome.
Welcome. Hi, Guy. How are you?
Wonderful. Good to see you again. This is super cool. Love it.
Nice to see you. And you know what? I am so excited about this wiper card because look how cute that is. And then watch this. Are you ready?
Oh, the best.
Are you ready? Wait for it. There it goes. Did you see it?
That little thing popped up. I love it.
I know. Isn't that awesome? I absolutely love this. And you know what? The best part about it is I'm all about easy. If it's not easy, I'm not going to do it, so I don't expect you to do it. And you know what? It's so easy and so fun. Now, I know it comes with dolphins. Here's our little dolphin. There's a little dolphin. But there's so much more you can do with this. It comes with 2 cute little dolphins. It comes with all these fun, the little waves and the little sea things. But you can do so much more with this. Here's a cute little hot air balloon. Let's do another one. And each one, look at that. There's a little sun. It pops up. Isn't that cute? Just pops up. Now, they're called wiper cards, and I called it a surprise wiper card because you never know what's going to pop up. Here for our coffee lovers.
I love that.
Look how cute that is. Now, people are already looking at this saying, oh, my goodness, oh, my goodness. Oh, look at that cute little birdie popping up. Look at that. Now, everybody's looking at this saying, I don't know if I could do this. But you know what? It is so easy, and so look at that. Have a smashing birthday with the piñatas in the background.
And then boom, it comes out of the top. I love that.
I know, isn't that fun? It's just like, whoa, there it is. Oh, here's another cute one that I absolutely love. Watch this, ready? There you go. Look at that. Okay, come on. What is that? Is that the most adorable thing you've ever seen? It literally can pop up anything you want it to do. It just literally strikes it up there. And it's so fun, and it's a surprise. That's the nice part about it is when you send this to someone, you are going to wow their socks off because they're going to open that and they're going to go, what? How'd you do that? What in the world? And you're going to go, yeah, you know what? It's just awesome. Make sure you stamp the back of it so people know you actually made it. Now, how do you do this? How do you do this? Well, there's lots of dice in the kit, but the most important ones are these 2 right here. Boom, boom, right here. 1, 2. These are the ones we need to focus on. What we're going to do is we're going to take this largest one and we're going to die cut it twice. Okay, we're just going to die cut it twice. Boom, boom. So there's 1, there's 2. Now, the extra other piece is the magic piece. This is the piece that has this funny little triangle thing, and we're literally just going to fold that down on the score line that I've already put into the die for you. You are going to add a little bit of adhesive to that triangle, and you are going to see this little card. I added this little spot right here. You can barely see it on the camera, but it's right there, this little cut mark.
Yep.
That's going to tell you where to line it up. What you're going to do is you're just going to take that, put it on the fold, line it up to that cut mark, and that's it. Now, I've added extra adhesive to this one so I could make sure it's really good. I'm going to fold it up. I'm going to add some adhesive to this tab right here. Remember, I cut out 2. I'm going to lay this right on top. I'm going to do it fast so we don't have to worry about, there we go. Now watch this. Ready? There it is.
Oh.
There it is. I know. Okay, is that easy or what? 3 cuts.
Yeah.
Boom, done. There you go.
And it's
now you're going to pop up.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's the dies that do the work. I mean, it honestly, I mean,
it's literally the dies that do all the work. Look at the gnome. We all love our gnomes. Look at that. Look how high that is, too. You can put anything on that little tab.
Stephanie, imagine if you put a picture of, like, one of your kids on there, right?
Oh, get out. With the grandparents, wouldn't that be perfect? You put your grandparents can put their pictures on there for the grandkids.
Love it.
That would be adorable. That would be absolutely adorable. Here's a cute little one that just says, you are loved. Now, you're also going to get an idea booklet. So this is going to help you take you step by step, show you how to make it. It's also going to give you some ideas. So you're going to get started. You're going to have some, oops, that's the other one. You're going to have ideas. Oh, here's a cute sloth one. I need to show you that one. That one's absolutely adorable. And there's just different ideas on different things that you can use to pop it up. Here's another example. Look how cute this little guy is. Ready? You got to wait for it. There it is. Here's our little guy. He's a little sloth on a little balloon just flying around. But you can put anything on there, anything. Now, it comes with those dolphins, But again, it's anything you want. We've seen Merry Christmas. We've seen Happy belated birthday. Here's a cute one just that says, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
You could literally, with any of your existing bits and pieces, you could personalize it any way you want, but you're gonna get the ability to make the cards with the dies, and that's really the big deal here. Because you know, decorating them and putting whatever you want to put on the pop-up is up to you, but I love the idea. And watching you do it, Stephanie, it really does not look that difficult at all. You only took a couple of steps to make it, but it's about giving your cards that personality, giving them a little extra pop. I mean, anybody can make a card that you open up, and they're wonderful, but you know, if you're doing fun cards, and that's really what this is for. It's for fun cards, celebratory cards, happy cards, right? You know, ones that have a little hidden message. You know, it could be a little riddle on the front and the answer comes up like that, or it could be, like you said, you know, it could be, you know, an announcement for a baby and you want to put the surprise, you know, sort of like the punchline comes out up top. It's ideal for that. $29.95, hundreds of you in the ordering process picking this up. You can only find it right here if you've always wanted to make these kind of cards, because I see these cards a lot at retail, very expensive cards that have that extra little oomph, Stephanie, you know what I mean? That extra little punch.
Absolutely.
And they're very expensive. You can make these yourself.
Absolutely. And any theme you want. So again, I mean, this one happens to have Merry Christmas, but I just love that little gnome just pops up and he's kind of like just saying, hey, how's it going? You know what I mean? You can put anything in there that you want. And oh, here's another, this one's cute. It's like the little sun is popping up. So you can put a little hidden message on there. What if you even, I just thought of this just now, what if we put a gift card on there and have that gift card pop up? Are you kidding? That would be perfect. Okay, somebody's got to send me one with a gift card.
Yeah, you know what? If you want to send me one, put a $100 bill on there, just the corner of it. You know what I mean?
There you go. I mean, just cash. What's cash nowadays, guy? I don't even know what that is nowadays.
Yeah, if you want, I know, isn't that hilarious? You know, I still do it. I still do it with like with my nieces and nephews because they still love cash. It's just something more, has more pop.
Sure.
But you could put whatever you want to put in there and you can make it such a fun surprise. So get it home. Stephanie's giving you all the dies that you need to make the cards. You can add whatever messages, whatever, you know, we were talking earlier, Stephanie, about how all our crafters and all our crafting personalities and vendors, we all work together. You know, I mean, you can use bits and pieces from anything, but the idea is to get these great ideas so that you can give your cards the punch that they need, the personality that they need, and that's one of the things that Stamps of Life and Miss Stephanie are so good at. 751-294, you will only find it here. Stephanie, so wonderful to see you. Thank you, my dear.
Nice seeing you guys.
All right, we'll see you again throughout the day.
Bye-bye.
All right, see you later. All right, so a lot of you have picked up a lot of crafting things, and you're thinking to yourself, where am I going to put all this stuff? How am I going to store all this stuff? Well, brand new, smart deal.